With video streaming services such as Netflix getting more popular, it's no surprise that homes these days have an Apple TV or an Android set-top box. In 2015, I got myself the Nvidia Shield. And in this video, let me share with you why, up to this day, it's still my favorite Android box. Coming up. Hey guys, this is Hafiz here and welcome to my channel. I bring you product reviews on gadgets and tech for the home as well as the ones you carry with you. My passion is to create quality content that helps you understand the products better so that you can decide for yourself if they're right for you. In addition to that, sometimes I also do tutorials and tips and tricks videos. So stick around, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing. Also, links to everything that I mentioned in my videos can be found in the description box down below. For those of you who are seeing this for the very first time, this is the Nvidia Shield. And what it is it's an Android box that's capable of streaming Ultra HD content. Connecting it to your 4K TV allows you to watch movies, TV shows, and even play games in the highest visual quality. The Nvidia Shield runs on Android TV and has an interface which is not only aesthetically pleasing but also easy to navigate with the included controller. What's with the video game controller, you ask? Well, that's because the Nvidia Shield was made to target gamers. While I'm not a big gamer myself, what I do know about gaming is that in order for your games to run smoothly, you need to have powerful hardware. So, the Nvidia Shield is equipped with a Tegra X1 processor with 256-core Maxwell GPU, 3GB of RAM, and 16GB of storage. But what does all that mean? Well, what it means is the hardware is powerful enough for you to run your game smoothly. And being able to run your game smoothly like that means that any other things that you want to do with it, such as watching your video streaming services like Netflix or maybe Amazon Prime videos, shouldn't be a problem at all. Well, I guess it's time for me now to share with you how I use my Nvidia Shield. And basically, I use it for two things. Firstly, video streaming services. And personally, I feel that I consume too much media. And where do I get my media from? Well, I get it from Netflix, I get it from YouTube, I get it from Hulu, and even Amazon Prime videos. Some of these services allow you to watch in 4K, which is the highest resolution that the Shield supports. Of course, you need a 4K TV in order for you to get that resolution. In addition to that, there's just so much of content for you to choose from. Netflix has their own originals, Amazon Prime has certain TV shows that's only exclusive for them, and then entertainment shows like Hulu. The Voice is on Hulu, for example. But the best thing about video streaming services, in my opinion, is that I can choose to watch these things when I want, wherever I want. Now, the second thing which I use the Nvidia Shield for is gaming. Now, you might be thinking, why is he not gaming on a PlayStation or an Xbox? Well, that's because I'm not a really big gaming fan, if I can put it that way. My attention span to games isn't like what it used to be back then when I was a lot younger. All I want to do is just grab a controller, play for 15 minutes and maybe an hour at most before I go do other things. But the other reason why I game on the Nvidia Shield is because of a service called GeForce Now. So GeForce Now is a subscription-based service provided by Nvidia where you can choose a list of games from a library and that these games are being streamed to you via Nvidia servers. Meaning to say that the Nvidia servers are doing more of the heavy lifting, so all you need to do on your part is that you get a solid internet connection so that you can get a great gaming experience. And for the most part, I've not had any issues based on the games that I've played. So far, the gaming experience has been pretty smooth and pretty much enjoyable. Alright, so conclusion time. Now, the Nvidia Shield has been with me since 2015. That would make it 3 years old. And since then, it has been the only thing that's connected to my TV. I used to have gaming consoles, I used to have DVD players, I used to have cable set-top boxes, but all those things are gone. If you're looking at my TV console right now, you'll see that there's only one tiny device, and that is the Nvidia Shield. So how is the performance today? Well, you'll be surprised to hear that the Nvidia Shield is still as snappy. Now, I believe there are two reasons why this is so. Firstly, Nvidia picked the right hardware, which is the Tegra X1 processor. And secondly, software. Nvidia has always been releasing constant software updates and optimizations for the whole lifespan of the Shield. In my opinion, that's actually kind of amazing because, believe me, I've been through quite a number of Android boxes and none of those boxes actually compare to the Nvidia Shield in terms of performance, reliability, and features. So if you're thinking about getting the Nvidia Shield for yourself, just know that the 2015 model, which is the one that I have, is no longer available. What's available now is the newer 2017 version with certain kind of changes and improvements. I would love to talk more about it, but that should be in another video. Alright, so question of the day. And I hope I can get some engagement because I'm going to make it a very simple question. And the question is, do you have an Android box? Type yes or no in the comment section down below. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. Comment and give this video a like if you enjoyed what I had to say because it does make a difference. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video comes out. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you guys again in the next one.